DP Rigathi Gachagua niacemanirie na Raila Odinga kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Moi section ya VIP kuria kaunti ya Mombasa na gitumi kia ere acio gukorwo magicemania nginyagia ihinda riri tutire turataukwo nikio. It's the first time Gachagua acemania na Odinga kuma igoti nene kwanirira maumirira ma githurano kiu. Kwina video ndirenda wirorere ya ere acio maki walk around kiharo-ini kiu kia ndege. Gachagua ahithuririe gucemania kwao kuhitukira mbica ekerire Facebook page yake na ekira caption ya "We have tremendous respect for our senior citizens. I was delighted this morning to have a tete with our senior citizen, former Prime Minister Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga in Mombasa." Na Kenyans ni magwire one by one comment section makireact kuri caption yo ya Gachagua. Alex kama washira wa toto adeka uga the political season ended on August 9th. This is a wise move, Your Excellency. Political noise works against the country's development. For us to prosper and feed the nation, we need everyone on board. Kwena GM Kalonzo Kamanda aradeka akauga, how can you call Baba senior citizen? Baba is respected everywhere in the world. He's powerful than you. Quinta Ole Senteo arauga, great honor to our former Prime Minister Raila Odinga Amolo. He needs our encouragement and prayers. He's a human being also. Isho ni deto ile itokinyeire guku gwa Gikuyu Community News. Tucemanie in our next video.
Guku ni gwa Gikuyu Community News. Make sure no subscribe niguo kamenya gwatinda atia gwake atia na gwatuka atia tikoge ni gwa Gikuyu Community News. Subscribe.